It's only love that reminds us of ourselves, of our vulnerability, our tenderness, our ferocity, and reminds us of who we are and who we can be. Taking up space began as an experiment, which was conducted by me on myself, to go deeper into a lot of these relationships that would cause me a lot of pain and difficulty and understand them. And of course, I didn't do that alone. I did it with the help of so many different individuals, beings, nature, that I was able to look within, find solitude, and understand these things for myself, and then make an informed, conscious choice of how I would like to be in these relationships. And then just taking that, and creating these little pockets of safety in the world, to be able to go within and to relate, to understand systemic collective pieces, to understand pieces of caregiving that come from how we were as children, and to be able to find medicine together. And that experimentation has taken us on explorations about rest, unrest, about holding space, about compassion, about what it means to be brave, to be courageous in this world, and how to stand up for ourselves, how to speak truth to power, even if the power is coming from within us. How to ask questions, how to challenge, how to be in dialogue, about things that are uncomfortable, only and only because they are unfamiliar, because we've never had these conversations before, that we've never openly, vulnerably expressed who we are and where we come from. That's how taking up space has been, and what this means, what this has led to, is this community of people, who connect with each other, who understand themselves, who are on their solitary journeys, but in a very connected, collective space. Love Takes Up Space is a fundraiser for our biggest, bravest exploration yet. Love is a verb, a program that enables individuals to think, move, feel deeply into love, to operate from a space of connection, compassion, to be able to navigate through life, through relationships with more care and more connection, leading to a much deeper, more enriched experience of life. We truly believe that we are raising money for something that matters, that is required, that also is coming at a time when so much of the world is suffering, so much of the world is disconnected, to be able to find ourselves in communities where we are not the only person who is caring for ourselves, but we are able to see each being as an integral part, to not discriminate on the basis of the roles that we play, or the things that we do, but to understand that we all hold value because we all have life within us. That's what we are here to ask you for. It is impossible to do this alone. I know that it is not possible for me to uphold this idea alone, and I'm only holding space to enable deeper connections with the self and with other people. So much of what we have been able to do as an organization, as a team, over the last 4 years has been because of love, because of this connection with love, where people have showed up, resources have showed up. So really hope that each of you can find your own ways to contribute to our journey, that you have been witnessing all of this time with so much care, so much of love. Here I am asking again, in the name of love, support for our work, and really hope that you all can find a way to be there for us at this time.